May I present Her Majesty the Queen
Charmed.
and the Royal Princess Bala.
Welcome home, soldier. We cannot begin to express our gratitude for your heroic efforts.
The private has asked me to convey his most humble appreciation for this.
Please, and it was nothing really, just your average run-of-the-mill valor and extraordinary courageousness. You know, in the heat of battle, there's very little time to think. You know, one must attack.
Well, indeed. As you can see, Your Highness, the battlefield is still fresh in his mind, so begging your pardon, but I think this is a perfect time to debrief the private.
Oh, please, General, not on a first date. Not on a first date.
Haven't I seen you somewhere before?
Well, maybe, and then again, maybe not. And then again, youch.
That's it. You're the guy from the bar.
Shh.
Bar? What bar?
I danced with this guy at the bar the other night. He was just a worker then.
What were you doing at a bar?
Precisely what I want to know.
No, this isn't about me. I mean, look at this worker. Look what he's done.
Oh, no, I think you're thinking of someone else. After all, I am a soldier.
Exactly. You were a worker, but now you're a war hero.
He's a worker.
A worker dance with my fiancée?
Fiancé? Wait a minute. This is not how it looks. I can explain this. Hey, she was the one making all the moves.
Arrest him.
Hey, wait a minute. Take it easy. Can't we discuss this?
What are you doing? Let go of my daughter.
He's taking our hostage! No, I'm not. I mean, yes, I am. One more step and the princess gets it.
Let go of me!
Ow! Don't make me hurt her!
What are you doing, you creep?